I didn't recognize you. You're so skinny. You know me.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million.
Yeah.
They love stuff like that.
So if you had this boat when you moved back and you're in Delaware or whatever, would you come out here every weekend?
Oh yeah, for sure. I love being on the water.
I don't mind it. I mean, I prefer this.
I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down.
He's standing up. He's being smart.
I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love. Not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid to love. Not afraid to love you. They always bring all the lonely, but with you here, nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. I'm not.
Why did you prop that one with the rock?
Because I wonder
Uh-huh.
it would have fell down at the fire and help smother some of the fire.
Okay.
This way it'll keep it up.
Keep oxygen underneath it.
Yeah. And then when that burns off, it'll fall down and you throw the rest in the fire. But it keeps it from pushing it down. I did that with a couple of them in here.
Oh yeah, I see a rock over there too.
Yeah, those two. Yeah. You're gonna have a good fire tonight.
Wow, I know. Look at that.
Hi folks, we're having a great day here.
You having a good time, Biscuit? Are you having a good time?
And it makes it super, super nice.
Yeah, it's really cool when the breeze comes through. If you watch the tree, if you look at the trees and they move it up above.
The sun hits a cloud and it goes under.
Yeah.
Hey,
Cool.
lady.
You gotta get this.
What is he doing? You look, that's really sexy, Jerry.
You think he had surgery?
It might hurt you. I didn't hurt Devin. got a photo of you. And I will use that shit.